Hey there, everyone. Have you heard about cryptocurrency and now you're thinking about getting started? Well, let me tell you, you're not alone. Cryptocurrency has been all the rage lately and for good reason too. Just think about it. You could turn a few $100s into thousands in just a few days, right? Well, yes and no. While stories of people making millions in crypto are common, we also hear about those who lost everything in a single moment. So what's the secret? How can we avoid the pitfalls and come out on top? Don't worry, because today we'll dive deep into the essentials and make sure you have a smooth ride. Stick around until the end. We've got something really cool planned. Let's start with understanding the basics. What exactly is cryptocurrency, and how does it work? Well, let me explain. Unlike traditional currencies like the US dollar or the euro, cryptocurrencies are digital. They exist only online, and they use cryptography for security. This means that transactions are verified and secure. Think of it like a digital ledger that records every transaction and keeps it tamper-proof. Pretty cool, huh? But wait, there's more. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means they're not controlled by any government or financial institution. Instead, they operate on a distributed network of computers. This makes them resistant to censorship and allows for faster transactions without the need for intermediaries. Transactions are confirmed quickly, often within minutes, making them much faster than traditional bank transfers, which can take days. Another great thing about cryptocurrencies is their transparency. All transactions are public and traceable on the blockchain, which helps prevent fraud and money laundering. So if you're looking for a safe and efficient way to transfer money, crypto might be the answer. Now that you know the basics, let's get down to business. How can you buy, store, and send cryptocurrency safely? Step 1. Choose a trusted exchange platform. There are many different exchanges out there, each with its own pros and cons. Do your research and find one that you trust. Make sure it's licensed and regulated and has a good track record. Look for exchanges that offer the cryptocurrencies you're interested in and have a user-friendly interface. Some popular options include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, or Gemini. I personally prefer to stick with well-known exchanges like Coinbase because of its reputation and straightforward approach. It's perfect for beginners and offers a wide range of cryptos. However, keep in mind that it's not available in some countries. Next, sign up for an account and complete the verification process. Most exchanges require you to verify your identity before you can buy crypto. This usually involves providing your name, email address, and other personal information. Some exchanges may also ask you to provide a copy of your ID or other documents to verify your identity. Don't skip this step. It's essential to protect your account and ensure that you're trading on a legitimate exchange. Now that you have an account, it's time to fund it. Most exchanges allow you to deposit funds using a bank transfer or credit or debit card. When depositing funds, you'll need to provide your bank account details or card information. Be sure to double-check this information to avoid any errors. Once your deposit is complete, you should see the funds reflected in your account balance. Now comes the fun part, buying cryptocurrency. On the exchange, navigate to the trading page and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Enter the amount you want to buy and place an order. You'll then need to confirm the details of your order, including the price you're paying and the fees involved. Fees are charged by the exchange for facilitating the transaction, and they can vary depending on the exchange and the method of payment. Once you've reviewed the order details, click Confirm and you'll be all set. If you're feeling adventurous, you can try your hand at trading. Trading cryptocurrency can be a risky but potentially profitable venture. Many exchanges offer trading pairs, allowing you to trade one cryptocurrency for another. To trade on an exchange, simply navigate to the trading page and select the trading pair you want to trade. Enter the amount you want to trade and place an order. That's it. You've bought your first cryptocurrency. Congratulations. But our work here isn't finished yet. Now, we need to keep it safe. Storing cryptocurrency is essential to ensuring that your digital assets are secure. There are several options available for storing crypto, including online wallets and hardware wallets. Online wallets are easy to use and provide convenient access to your crypto. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, offer greater security by storing your crypto offline. It's important to choose a storage option that meets your needs and security requirements. One popular option for storing crypto is a wallet like Trust Wallet. It's a mobile wallet that supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and offers a user-friendly interface. Another option is MetaMask, a browser-based wallet that's popular among crypto enthusiasts. One of the most secure options for storing crypto is a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. These wallets store your crypto offline, making them much more secure than online wallets. However, they can be more expensive and less convenient to use. No matter which option you choose, be sure to follow best practices for wallet security, such as enabling two-factor authentication and backing up your wallet regularly. So, how exactly do you go about sending cryptocurrency? Sending cryptocurrency is a straightforward process once you have a wallet set up. However, it's important to follow best practices to ensure a smooth transaction. The first step is to obtain the recipient's wallet address. This is a unique string of characters that identifies the recipient's wallet. Once you have the recipient's wallet address, double-check it to ensure accuracy. Even a single character mistake can result in sending the cryptocurrency to the wrong recipient. Next, determine the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Be sure to consider any transaction fees that may apply. Fees are charged by the network for processing the transaction and can vary depending on the network congestion. Finally, review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. Most wallets allow you to preview the transaction details before confirming it. Take a moment to double-check the recipient's wallet address, the amount being sent, and any other relevant details. Once you've confirmed the details, click Send and your cryptocurrency will be on its way. But wait, we're not done yet. There are still some more important things to cover. Let's talk about keeping your crypto safe. Securing your cryptocurrency is crucial to preventing theft, fraud, and other cyber threats. Fortunately, there are several measures you can take to keep your crypto safe. First and foremost, enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on all of your crypto accounts. This adds an extra layer of security and helps to verify your identity before allowing access to your account. In addition to 2FA, use strong passwords that are unique to each of your accounts. Avoid using the same password you use for other accounts and change your passwords regularly. You might even want to consider using a password manager to help you keep track of all your different passwords. Another important measure to take is to avoid using public Wi-Fi networks when accessing your crypto accounts. Public Wi-Fi networks are often targeted by hackers and it's easy for them to intercept your data. Instead, use a secure VPN like Norton to encrypt your data and protect your privacy. Plus, it lets you virtually change your location so you can access geo-restricted content. With a good VPN, you can browse safely and confidently knowing that your data is protected. I've personally used an NordVPN for years and I'm happy to report it's safe and reliable. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of our guide on buying, storing, and sending cryptocurrency safely. By following the steps and advice outlined in this video, you're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to navigate the world of cryptocurrency with confidence. Remember, security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency, and by taking the necessary precautions, you can protect yourself from potential threats. We hope you found this guide helpful, and if so, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching and happy trading.